Alright guys, got another speaker video here for us. This is Kicker's RT 6 3/4 shallow mount sub in this sealed enclosure with polyfill. This is a dual 2 ohm, so I wired it down to 1 ohm for the video so we can really get it flexing. And I'm using my gimbal today, so bear with me on some of the camera angles. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. I'm gonna start playing some music and get it flexing. That's pretty much as high as it'll go. Go. Maxing it out pretty good. I'll leave the specs down in the description and a clickable link if you guys want to pick one up. It actually does pretty good. It's rated at like 300 watts, and I got this thing at 1 ohm, and it bumps. It's not bad. Hollywood devil, not an angel. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this sub. Post up some comments, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more videos. I got a new tool cart that I'm going to show you guys next, so I'm going to make that video. It's pretty cool for me doing my installs and stuff. I don't have to run back and forth to the garage to get tools. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks guys.